Hey everyone, welcome back to Zolex. Is your PC feeling sluggish? Today, I'm going to walk you through a complete guide to speed up your computer. We'll cover basic tweaks, intermediate tips, and even a few advanced tricks that will have your PC running like new in no time. Step 1. Let's clear out the junk. Go to Control Panel Programs, uninstall a program. Look for apps you don't use anymore, especially any pre-installed bloatware that came with your computer. Not only does this free up space, but it also reduces background processes that can slow down your system. If you're unsure about a program, Google it to see if it's safe to remove. Startup programs can be a big drain on your system's resources. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, then go to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of apps that launch when you turn on your computer. Disable any programs you don't need at startup to improve boot time. You'll still be able to use these apps manually, but they won't slow you down on startup. Now, let's clear out temporary files and cache. Open Disk Cleanup by searching for it in the Start menu. Select your main drive. Usually see and check options like Temporary Files, Recycle Bin, and Thumbnails. Disk Cleanup removes all that unnecessary data and can free up a surprising amount of space. I recommend doing this every month or so to keep things tidy. If you're using a laptop, changing your power settings can also help. Go to Control Panel, Power Options, and set your power plan to high performance. Note that this uses more energy, so it's best for when your laptop is plugged in. If you need to save battery, switch back to Balanced or Power Saver. Updating Windows and your drivers ensures that you're running the latest software and hardware optimizations. Check for Windows updates in Settings, Update, and Security, and update your drivers by going to Device Manager. Right-click on each category and choose Update Driver to keep your hardware running smoothly. If your browser is slow, it can affect your entire system's performance. Clear your browser cache and remove any extensions you don't need. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy, and Security, clear browsing data. Remove any extensions that are no longer useful. Each one adds to your browser's resource usage. If you've tried everything and your PC is still slow, it might be time to consider a RAM upgrade. Check your computer's specs to see what type of RAM it supports, then purchase and install additional RAM if possible. Adding more RAM can make a huge difference, especially if you run heavy applications like video editing software or games. One of the best upgrades you can make is switching from an HDD to an SSD. SSDs load data much faster, and the difference in speed is immediately noticeable. If you're comfortable with hardware upgrades, this is one of the most effective ways to breathe new life into an older computer. And there you have it, folks. Follow these steps, and you should see a major improvement in your PC's performance. If you enjoyed this guide, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a new tech tip from Zolex. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.